How to build yourself for success. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, today I want to talk to you about a topic that is close to everyone's heart: success. Success is not just about achieving wealth, fame, or status. True success is about becoming the best version of yourself, fulfilling your potential, and living a life of purpose and meaning. So, how do we build ourselves for success? Let me share with you some key principles that will help you on this journey. 1. Define what success means to you. Success is not a one-size-fits-all concept. For some, it may mean excelling in their career. For others, it may mean being a good parent, a devoted Muslim, or a positive influence in their community. Take the time to reflect on what success truly means to you. Write down your goals and aspirations and let them guide your actions. 2. Set clear goals. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Take benefit of 5 before 5. Your youth before your old age, your health before your sickness, your wealth before your poverty, your free time before you are preoccupied, and your life before your death." Al-Hakim, Hadith 7846. This hadith reminds us of the importance of setting goals and making the most of our time. Break your goals into small, actionable steps and work on them consistently. 3. Develop a growth mindset. Success begins in the mind. Believe that you are capable of achieving greatness, the Quran says. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. Quran 13:11. This verse teaches us that change starts from within. Cultivate a mindset of growth, resilience, and positivity. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. 4. Take action. Dreams and goals are meaningless without action. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The strong believer is better and more beloved to Allah than the weak believer, while there is good in both." Sahih Muslim, Hadith 2664. Strength here refers not just to physical strength, but also to determination and action. Take consistent, purposeful steps toward your goals, no matter how small they may seem. 5. Seek knowledge. The first word revealed in the Quran was Iqra, read. This emphasizes the importance of knowledge in Islam. Seek knowledge in both religious and worldly matters. The more equipped you will be to face challenges and achieve success. 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with have a huge impact on your mindset and actions. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A person is upon the religion of his close friends, so let one of you look at whom he befriends." Sunan Abu Dawud, Hadith 4833. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, support you, and push you to be your best. 7. Be patient and persistent. Success does not happen overnight. The Quran says, "Indeed, with hardship comes ease." Quran 94:6. There will be obstacles and setbacks along the way, but do not give up. Be patient, trust in Allah's plan, and keep moving forward. 8. Stay connected to Allah. True success is not just about worldly achievements, but also about spiritual fulfillment. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever focuses on the hereafter, Allah will place richness in his heart, bring his affairs together, and the world will come to him despite his reluctance. And whoever focuses on the world, Allah will place poverty before his eyes, disorder his affairs, and he will get nothing of the world except what is decreed for him." Sunan Ibn Majah, Hadith 4105. Make Salah, Dua, and Quran a priority in your life. Seek Allah's guidance and blessings in everything you do. 9. Give back to others. Success is not just about what you achieve for yourself, but also about how you contribute to the world. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best of people are those who are most beneficial to people." Use your success to help others, whether through charity, mentorship, or acts of kindness. This will bring barakah, blessings into your life. 10. Never stop improving. Success is a journey, not a destination. Continuously strive to improve yourself learn new skills, and grow as a person. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, take advantage of 5 before 5, your youth before your old age, your health before your sickness, your wealth before your poverty, your free time before you are preoccupied, and your life before your death. A. Al-Hakim, Hadith 7846. Make the most of every moment and never stop working toward your goals. Conclusion. Dear brothers and sisters, building yourself for success is not an easy task, but it is a journey worth taking. Define your goals, take action, seek knowledge, and stay connected to Allah. Remember, success is not just about what you achieve in this world, but also about how you prepare for the hereafter. Let us strive to be the best versions of ourselves, not just for our own benefit, but also for the benefit of humanity. May Allah grant us success in this life and the next. Ameen. Jazakum Allahu khairan.